Servo, sara mo na yan! Hey yo, what's up? Good morning, y'all. This is a new fucking day. It is Saturday. That's the best shit, dog. Like with the baby. We're gonna record this bitch. Full start. I just turned it on. I'm not gonna lie. So. See what we can do. First of all, let me go to the gas station. Shit. How do y'all fucking do it today? What's cracking, dog? Hope y'all like the video. Subscribe. Don't forget to comment if you want to. Optional, always. But yeah, bro. I'm not gonna say here that we're gonna do some crazy shits. But I might try.
You're wrong! You're a f***ing baller!
We're just waiting now. It's fucking cold outside, bro. I'm not waiting outside for that shit. Fuck no. It's fucking cold.
Stop the cap!
A few moments later.
Turn Stevie off. I don't remember shit about the music. If you ever wonder how much it takes, that's what that motherfucker takes. Nah, that's not what it takes. Just wait. Cause I just gonna continue, bro. Wait, how much it's gonna be? That shit costs a laugh nut.
You're broke!
It's fucking cold, but we're recording a video. We have to have them down, bro. I have to. I just gotta put my fucking sweater real good, cause fuck. Need alignment. I'm not gonna lie. I do need alignment. I've been noticing that shit for a fucking while already.
We do not care.
I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of dumb because there's a fucking share station right there.
you talking about?
Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I knock the fuck out you.
Damn, man.
Hey.
There's no way.
There's police, bro. I gotta go home. Call me pussy, whatever the fuck you wanna call me, nigga. I don't give a fuck.
Ha! Gay!
I just need to go home. That's all I know. And it's this way. Just where I was.
Thousand years later.
We're gonna go out. I'm gonna drop off some shit. So we're gonna do a cold start. I love how it sounds, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't give a fuck.
That shit went sideways.
2,000 years later.
That's my sister in the back. But anyways, what's cracking? It's Sunday today. What are you guys doing? if I never ask, I will never know. But I'm gonna figure it out. How much is it to wrap that thing in the front, on top of here, and the back? Because I need to wrap it. That shit's ugly already. That shit can fuck up my paint. I need to take that one off and fucking put a new one. But yeah, that's all I need to do.
We
don't care. Let me tell you. We don't care.
Corvettes joining the freeway. Oh god, that shit is beautiful. Oh no, shit about Corvettes. I don't know which one is it. Oh yeah.
Stupid.
Fucking sister drives like a maniac, bro. Slow down.
Do you see me fucking laughing?
Yeah, it's just funny. That bitch looked at me as soon as I was laughing, bro. That bitch in the back over there. What the fuck? That shit looks sick. I like the way the exhausts come out. That shit looks sick though. I don't know how powerful that car is, but
You serious?
the front side too, that shit looks sick. That shit is tight.
A few moments later.
Which one is this one? That shit's nice. That shit is nice. M3. That shit is nice, bro. What the fuck? Yo, the exhaust. I didn't see that before. What the fuck? That shit looks sick. Okay.
Calm down, Jamal.
Fuck it, we're gonna do the last pulls. Enjoy.